fam? So today we will be making some blue butter slime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Let's go. Okay, so first we have to make the slime. So we have some Elmer's school glue. We have Equate Moisture Last contact lens solution. We also have some Arm & Hammer baking soda. And this is what we'll need to make the slime. And we're just going to put that aside for a minute. And we also need a bowl, a spatula, and some clay. So first, I'm going to start it off by adding in some of my Elmer's white school glue. And the reason why I'm not using any food coloring is because the clay, it really just overpowers the food coloring. So it would just be a waste of food coloring if I were to add it in. And now I'm just going to close that up. And then we're about to activate it. So I'm going to use a little bit of my contact lens solution. And you want to put it in at little bits at a time so that you don't over-activate your slime. And if you do end up over-activating your slime, then you want to add lotion to it. And now I'm just going to put in a little bit of baking soda so that they can really activate it. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. Okay guys, so I activated it 3 more times and it's still not ready. So I'm going to activate it 1 more time, and the way that you can tell that it is ready, or if it isn't ready, done activating, then if it starts coming off of the edges. So mine is pretty much done, but I'm going to activate it 1 more time because I know that this slime is going to be sticky, and I don't like sticky slime at all. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more activator. Okay guys, so I'm done activating the slime. And so now it's time to add in my dark blue clay. And I find it easier to add it in little bits at a time because when I tried to add it in all at once, it just didn't mix in well. And yeah, and you don't want that. You want it to be evenly divided and spread out. And if your clay isn't already soft, then you need to add lotion to it so that it can be really easy to work with. Now, I didn't add any lotion to mine because mine is already soft. And I'm just going to keep mixing that in. And so now I can actually see the clay streaks going into the actual slime. And it's really nice. And if you end up having the clay all in one spot, then just pull the slime, just pull a little bit of slime up and then just start kneading in the clay. And then once it's already done into that small portion of slime, then just put it into the rest of the slime and then mix it in.